been a busy morning. Got up about 5 o'clock, 5:30. Got some computer work done, made a video, went to Zion, dropped off the last 2 small tables, 2 big tables to go. Today's goal is to not say all right. Did I just say it before? I don't remember. But every clip I start with all right, I end up cropping half of them out. No all rights, no ums. Today's bet.
Hold up.
Cheers.
Right now, it's showtime.
I'm pretty simple-minded, can't keep track of a lot of things at once. Dumb, some call it. I have to sand in series, so like I do all the legs, and then I'll go down and do this part on all of them, and then I'll do that part on all of them, that part, all of them. That way I don't get, it's like that with everything. I have to do it that way. It's just weird. So I made a little bit of a mistake. I sprayed my sand sealer, which is pretty much your primer. It's gonna fill in the voids. It's gonna fill in the grain. And these are pine legs, so they're very porous around this area. So when I sprayed that, it was upside down. Then I shot my first coat and I flipped it over. And of course, everywhere where I couldn't get into here with it upside down wasn't sand sealed, and paint would not fill it. So I gotta wait for it to dry, sand it all back down, sand seal it, sand it, paint. It's just one of those stupid things. This was the easiest little project and it's going to hell. I gotta run Land and my son to Decatur today. So I told Heather I could do it. So I gotta get a few things for tomorrow for that swing set move. Go pick him up and head to Decatur. Cool. For some reason, I never leave my windows down, but today I left them down, so. Bullshit. Video. Fun fact, I absolutely hate getting my head wet or like body. I hate it. It gives me the heebie-jeebies, so I had to pull my truck in to cover my seat up, which was wet, which would give me a wet ass, which I also don't like at all. No Decatur trip. I got home and he's still pretty sick and he fell asleep while I was eating lunch, so it's like, I'm not taking him if he's sick. Like, that's gonna be freaking miserable. So I'm headed to Kroger to get some saltine crackers and some toast. You know, let's just knock this flu bug out together. I just remembered I forgot bread, but it's okay. We got the saltines, you got the soups, I got some milk for myself. Diet update on a different note, great. I haven't had fast food. I've probably had 4 beers last night. That was the first 4 beers I had in a long time. Waters, salads, Whole Foods, baby, oatmeal. Yeah. Been great. I feel good. Saltines. Good luck. You want some soup? Well, holler if you want some soup. I'll make it. I bought some. Good luck. I'll be in the basement, away from your germs. Literally hasn't rained the entire afternoon until I get up to put my boots on to go get Jack. Tools are good, walnuts good, paydays are good, pickup trucks are good, free money's good. Getting the sick feeling, the pukey feeling, shit, that's not good. Bottle jacks for tomorrow's swing set move. And where else would I go than Harbor Freight? Thanks a lot. Oh God, I'm getting hot, I'm getting sweaty, I'm getting clammy. This ain't good, folks. Code red. Landon requests red Gatorade, so better get him some Gatorade. Sick child.
More than any other gas. I'm no chance my car running out of gas. I ain't paying for gas here. Not happening. 428. I'm not paying for it here. It is too expensive. You can get it cheaper in Bellevue.
Way to upsell.
I'm not gonna help sell them this gas. Not at all.
I'm in no mood for this today anymore. I think it was a pretty good vlog for not doing anything, right? Hey, comment below, subscribe, like, share, turn on that notification bell. I never say that, but for real, if you're watching this, you owe it to me. Say bye.
Bye.